What's up guys, this is Y and today I'm gonna show you how to create these amazing graphical shapes and designs in Photoshop without using any third-party plugins. So if that sounds interesting, let's hop into it. So first of all, I'm gonna just create a new document and I'm gonna keep it 1920 by 1080. Resolution to 300 and I'm gonna hit an OK. Cool. Okay, so I'm gonna just select my gradient tool and I'm gonna just choose a start color, and I guess that's looking good. And for the end color, I'm gonna choose a bluish kind of tone. That looks good. Cool. I'm gonna hit an OK and I'm gonna just drag it like so. Cool. Okay, so now I'm gonna just grab my pen tool and make sure it's on shape and the fill is set to none and stroke color is white. You can probably choose any color you want, but I'm gonna show you with the white color and later on we're gonna apply the gradient. So let's create some shape. So I'm gonna just create a nice triangle. Let's see. Okay, that looks pretty good. I'm going to just select this tool now. Okay, so what I'll do is I'm going to just select the shape layer and I'm going to rename this to triangle. And I'm going to just press Ctrl plus J to duplicate it. And now I'm going to just resize it and rotate it, maybe like something like that. Cool. And now I'm gonna just press Ctrl Shift Alt and T and see, it creates a nice shape right there. So I love this technique, but the main problem is it creates a lots of layer and that actually slows down the system. So I'm gonna show you one simple trick to fix it. Let me just delete all of them. Okay, so with that selected, I'm gonna just duplicate it and I'm gonna just right click it. I'm gonna choose this option, rasterize layer, press and hold the Ctrl key and click on this thumbnail and this will make a selection. And now I'm gonna just transform it a bit like so. And now I'm gonna press Ctrl Shift Alt and T and this will create all the shapes and different stuffs on the same layer. So see, this is a pretty efficient trick. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just apply a nice shadow effect and gradient on this. Just crop it up, Ctrl plus G, and I'm gonna rename this to a triangle. And I'm gonna just press the effects and drop shadow. Cool. That looks pretty cool, but I'm gonna just increase the size of it and decrease the opacity. Touch. Cool. And now I'm gonna go to effects and create an overlay. I'm gonna click here and select a stock color. I'm gonna just select the yellowish tone, something like that looks good. And now I'm gonna select orange kind of tone. So that looks good. Let me just resize it a bit. Cool. That looks great, right? Okay, I'm gonna show you a few more shapes. So I'm gonna just create a triangle one more time. Okay, and just duplicate it rasterize this layer, control click right there, and I'll just transform it. Cool. And just press Ctrl Shift Alt D. Cool. See? Pretty cool shape, right? Okay, I'm gonna just place it somewhere around there. Let's disable this layer. That looks good. Okay, I'm gonna just apply a gradient. Let's see. And we'll select a pinkish tone. Let's select a bluish tone for the start color. Dark blue. And select a pinkish tone for the end color. Okay, that looks good. Cool. Just scale it up a bit. That looks great. Okay, one more thing. I'm gonna just double click on the gradient overlay, and I'm gonna select radial. I'm gonna reverse it. So this gives a nice texture. And I'm gonna turn off the alignment there. Cool. And I'm gonna just apply a drop shadow effect. Cool, right? Okay, I'm gonna show you one more shape. So I'm gonna just grab my ellipse tool and I'll create a nice ellipse. Cool. I'll repeat the same steps. Ctrl plus J to duplicate. Rasterize this layer. Control click on the thumbnail to make a selection. Select this tool and just transform it. So like that. Rotate it a bit. Make it small. Cool. And now I'm gonna just press Ctrl Shift Alt T. So this gives it a nice spiral kind of a graphic element. And let me just arrange it with, just crop it up, and I wanna make it big, something like that. Let's zoom out a bit and just, yep, that looks good. Cool. Just turn this on. I'm gonna place it below this. Just place it like so. Turn this on a bit. And just duplicate it. Time. And I'm gonna just go edit, transform, float horizontal. Cool. Okay, and I'm gonna select this shape layer. No, not this one. I'm gonna select this shape layer. Right? I'm gonna just go to effects and gradient overlay. And I'm gonna select something that matches the background color. So I'm just go to this color right there. Might be this color. And let's see. That looks good. Just select a darker color. That looks good. Okay. I'm going to decrease the opacity. Okay, let's keep the opacity at 100%. Decrease the opacity here. Cool. So that looks pretty dope, right? Okay, so this was it guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification icon if you haven't already. Also, if you enjoyed this tutorial or learned something new today, please give me a thumbs up. And if you have any query or feedback to give, the comment section is all yours. I will see you in the next video. Till then, peace.